我是戴宁，我是80人。
我叫纳斯江，我来自俄罗斯。在中国因为有很多非常好的产品，所以我帮助买家买中国的产品。
Normally, before my lives, I will prepare the script to understand what are the products that I will be introducing. We have some games to our audience, so it's really fun. I really enjoy what I do. I feel it's a privilege to be an anchor in China because China has been doing live stream and e-commerce for a really long time. So I feel I'm learning from the best. It's still developing marketing back in Brazil. So I feel that I can have the advantage to access the experts and do the best for back home.
我非常喜欢在中国生活，我还要继续做中国的工作。
One of the things that I really like about the Chinese tradition during the Chinese New Year is everybody wearing a red color, giving hongbao to the small kids, preparing some very special food. So that's something that gives me a feeling that I'm at home and with a family, even though I'm so far from home.